After watching this braiding tutorial, you will never get stitch braid wrong again. So all you have to do is start your braiding with just a little bit of extension, then you start adding the hair. Now you're adding your hair from behind, please not on top. You can do two methods. There's the one you can place on top and braid holding one side, leaving the other part and tuck it in. But this pattern is easier when you put it from under, if you don't know how to grip just hair from one side. So this is an easy way for you to do your stitch braid and also this new form of cornrow. Before we continue, guys, please smash that subscribe button, like this video, comment, share this video to your friends and family. So this is the final look of this stitch braid. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something. You can also decide to add weave on at the bun there. If you don't want that kind of bun, you can add a weave on or make this braid slimmer for you to be able to attach any bun of your choice and change your style. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video.